रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है
डैडी कूल
पॉप कॉन्वर्सेशन बोलने वाला था
नाम है पॉप कॉन्वर्सेशन
आज अंतरिक्ष एवरीथिंग पॉपकॉर्न से दूर ही रहे तो बेटर है.
भाई आज मैंने लिटरली फॉर द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट आई वाज लाइक लेट मी डू समथिंग गुड फॉर माय पॉडकास्ट मेट्स फॉर माय co-hosts. Let me make popcorn for everyone. I went to make popcorn, burnt the first batch, almost burned the second batch. Till my mom entered the kitchen. I'm like, what are you doing? Are you insane? I got crazy.
पूरा घर जला
पूरा घर में हाँ जलने की बुदबू क्यों आ रही है?
If you could smell, you wouldn't need to know the story actually.
Yeah, that's true. If you could smell the house.
एंड पता है इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से ही वेंट आउट. इज लाइक गाइस बहुत भूख लग रही है, पॉपकॉर्न बना के लाऊं मैं 5 मिनट में आया.
5 minutes I'll be back.
Like he went at
3
10 p.m.
hours later.
He went at 10 p.m. It's 11:58 p.m. right now. और अभी हम ओवरकम
10
कर
minutes
पाए
पहले ही
हैं.
वापस आया. Anyway, big episode today. Big episode because we are talking about the best and worst characters who are not yet fathers but would be the best and worst fathers. Does that make sense at all? No, I really.
Could have just said best and worst fathers, but no, you had to.
No,
eat
but we
it
are
like
not
this.
talking about best.
Yeah,
Please
but
यार
we
अपना
are.
trauma dumping मत किया करो
No.
podcast
We
में.
are talking about
What
best
we are
and worst
talking about,
fathers.
no.
Would be fathers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Characters who aren't fathers yet,
हाँ.
but would make for either the best or the worst fathers in
Yeah.
history. Okay, हम एरे गहरे से
In
bad
history.
father, good father नहीं.
हाँ.
Best father, worst father चाहिए भाई.
हाँ,
हाँ.
good नहीं.
और हम ये क्यों
Superatism.
कर रहे हैं?
Okay नहीं.
Because
This is a Father's Day special.
Because Houseful 5 just came out, and the father dies in that.
जो आप लोगों ने नहीं देखी और मैं
Spoiler.
बोल बोल के थक गया कि
भाई,
देख लो,
you know what?
देख लो.
Everyone told us
It would be such a high SEO episode अगर आप लोग देख लेते वो तो.
everyone told us that Houseful 5C देखनी चाहिए, पर वो तो है ही नहीं. Luckily, so we didn't.
What a
क्या है,
niche
देखो,
joke.
पता है हम कितना ऐसा पिछले 2-3 एपिसोड हमने एसईओ पे इतने स्पॉट ऑन हिट करे हैं. ये वाला भी करते हैं अगर आप लोग हाउस
भाई we're talking about Father's Day.
Did you hear Paresh Rawal might be joining Hera Pheri 3 again?
Yeah, and this time he'll be playing their father.
Yeah, that was a reveal all along.
They're all Aptes. It's Raju Apte, Shyam Apte, and Baburao Apte.
But what a terrible film, dude. What
What are you,
वो तो लग ही रही थी.
what are you
Yeah, really.
saying?
You
It was
were
a
the
bad
most
film.
excited about the film, Antariksh.
I
Bro.
was too.
Yeah, but I think B will be better. You should go watch that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did that joke. It's done. Let's move on.
Go to the D one. Go to the D one.
Bro, very bad, dude.
I think the
Very
OTT
bad.
The
one
worst-
actually
worst
is the best
Houseful
once
so
it comes on OTT.
Oh yeah, easily I guess.
Actually क्या है ना 12 बज चुके हैं और हम सब अब थोड़े पैसे वगैरह से हो चुके हैं.
क्योंकि हमें 2 घंटे पहले रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करनी
ये
थी.
फ्राइडे को शुरू करना था, हम सैटरडे को कर रहे हैं.
That's true. That's
तो
true.
अगर आपको लग रहा है कि सब लोग थोड़े ज्यादा अग्रेसिव साउंड
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं तो
ऊपर से हमने जले हुए पॉपकॉर्न खाया.
और सूंघ तो हम अभी भी रहे हैं.
और हम बात करने वाले डैडी इश्यूज की.
रेसिपी फॉर डिजास्टर लाइक द पॉपकॉर्न.
Oh god.
No, literally like
Oh.
2 minutes before the podcast starting, we were discussing how we should start the episode.
Yes.
And स्नेहिल से गलती से उसके फोन पे कोई रील चल गई. And अब्बास लाइक अबे बंद करेगा.
देखे जा रहा है यार. भाई रील भी नहीं चल रही थी, वो अपना ही एपिसोड देख रहा है पिछला, जस्ट टू सी कि कौन से मेंबर्स को हमने थैंक यू बोला है अभी तक एंड इस एपिसोड में कहां से स्टार्ट कर रहा है.
Which reminds us, the memberships
Yes.
are open now.
Yes, please.
Please become a
yeah.
member. No burnt popcorn tier. We have
Yes.
caramel and salted.
ओ हाँ बर्न पॉपकॉर्न भी डाल सकते हैं हम नाउ. बट
That's the third tier. Yeah.
that's the
Yeah,
third
yeah,
tier.
yeah.
We've had 3 more members since we last recorded. One is a mystery member. The other one is
Mystery member?
Yes.
You mean?
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
But that's the handle.
Shut up.
Why are you being an ass?
Okay.
पैसे
It's
वगैरह-
But
someone-
no, let's
It's-
say
yeah.
let's tell the truth. It's a very famous person who does
Yeah.
not want to be named.
Exactly.
That's
So
a
we just
A-list
can't
celebrity.
tell.
Yeah.
हाँ.
KRK followed us. Not we're not allowed to
ये
say.
जो 3 नमूने बैठते हैं, sometimes with a 4th.
Namuni. Both Namuni.
The other one is Vidushi Pyakurel, and the
Well done,
third
huh?
one
Well done.
is Sanskar Tiwari.
Hey, Sanskar, nice. I know Sanskar.
You know Sanskar?
He comes from that filmy game show. He's like a fan. Yes. Thank you, Sanskar. What's up, man?
Oh, nice.
Good guy.
Nice.
Great guy. Great guy.
Crossover.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Great. Nice.
Thank you to all the three people, the A-lister celebrity that we have, Bidushi Pyakurel and Sanskar Tiwari.
Nice. And A-lister, please come on the show. We'll talk to you, man.
Yeah. Please tell us
it's-
the preparations for King. How are they going?
Yeah. I was
Oh
about
shit! Did I reveal too much?
Oh, shit.
Oh shit!
Oh, wow.
Oh,
nice, man. Oh,
Oh man!
oh, nice.
That's
Great.
right. It's
Okay.
Suhana.
चलो स्नेल के लिए तो गया okay let's go anything before we get into the main topic
Yeah.
anything that we have to get off the anything like worth talking about that happened Bollywood wise in the week
Yeah, I saw a very bad film.
Yeah, of course.
Called
What was-
Houseful 5.
You can give a mini review.
Oh,
Yeah.
bro, it's just
What?
bad, dude. It's
like is there any saving grace at all
Yeah, Akshay tries too hard, no doubt about it.
but he's funny at least that
No, so I laughed at 3 jokes.
tell them
In a 2.5 hour
In a
film.
2.5 hour film,
great,
I laughed at 3 jokes.
yeah.
एंड जिसमें से मुझे 2 ही याद हैं अभी. One was कि एक जगह की लाइट चली जाती है एंड दे आर ऑल हाइडिंग फ्रॉम द किलर और दे आर लाइक लुकिंग फॉर द किलर एटसेट्रा एंड जैकलीन फ्रॉम वन end of the room shouts कि मैं अलमारी के पीछे छुपी हूँ एंड देन अक्षय shouts हाँ तो बता क्यों रही है. So that is one funny moment जो पूरा ensemble build-up के साथ आता है. That is one. And then there's this other moment where Jacqueline, मतलब like the lady is covered.
Oh, Jacqueline is involved in both the funny
Both the funny
moments.
moments. No, but the funny moments are Akshay's.
Achha, okay.
Basically.
making fun of Jacqueline's
Making
stupidity.
fun of Jacqueline, yeah. And इसमें तो he's making fun of a third person only who's not even in the film. तो एक लड़की covered है मतलब as in चादर है उसके ऊपर but एक तरफ से ना थोड़ा bump है तो he just looks and he says कि oh Malaika.
That's funny. That's a little
why?
funny.
उससे everybody
It's
laughed.
not needed dude
But yeah, that's the
out
whole
of nowhere in that world out of nowhere
It's not needed.
it's so
Like none of the comedy that happens in the
Is
film
needed.
it is needed. Yeah, it's
how's Jackie and Sanju
Nana.
too loud, dude. Too loud. Like everybody is so loud. None of it is needed. It is very 70s, 80s, 90s wala humor.
any cameos that we haven't seen in the trailer
Yeah.
oh
Yes.
बता दे भाई
बता दे,
That
हाँ.
Bobby Deol.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Oh,
So
दुनिया.
basically,
And
like
does he do
they
a dance?
are looking for
Is it-
like the real Jolly, no? So
Yeah,
end
yeah.
में Bobby Deol is the real
Achha,
Jolly.
okay.
End में आता है.
and okay A में okay again I really don't care about this movie guys
Yeah.
so if you do we'll just go a few seconds ahead because I
So
want to know
spoiler
who
alert, yeah.
is the final killer in A
So मेरे को दोनों के killers मालूम
हाँ,
है.
मेरे को भी पता
So
है, हाँ.
basically there are 2 killers in each film. 5A में भी 2 killer है, 5B में भी 2 killer है. एक जो constant killer है that is अभिषेक बच्चन.
Okay.
And जो 2 change जो हुए हैं एक में है फरदीन खान A में और B में है
तो मतलब
चित्रांगदा.
Abhishek and Fardeen in are talking together
हाँ, in
and
the
Chitrangada and
first,
Abhishek
Chitrangada and Abhishek are together in the second one.
Alright.
Dude, it's a very like bad film, dude. Like everybody is like they have random callbacks to like previous films. ठीक है, फिर उसके अंदर objectification through and
the
through.
lore yeah I'm sure
Through and through. Like there is this vent scene which is so not required, like the AC vent scene.
oh I know what you're talking about
Oh,
I've
dude,
heard
it is so.
every
not,
reviewer talk about
Oh,
this.
dude, it is
Yeah.
so not
क्या होता है, मैंने
required.
नहीं सुना.
Arey, it's some it's like people are crawling through a ventilator
Like all the
and it's
3
all the
leading
women.
ladies are crawling through the vent and they are crawling like face
like the
up.
camera is facing
Oh,
down
got it.
right into their
And yeah,
Cleavage.
dude, crazy. And then this Saundarya, the girl Saundarya, she is there just to be objectified in the film, and I'm very surprised कि how are like people approving of this. Like उसके अंदर एक scene है जिसके अंदर सौंदर्य लॉयर बनी है इसकी डैड की जो मर जाते हैं बेसिकली रंजीत.
Happy
ठीक
Father's Day,
है. तो शी इज बेसिकली रीडिंग अ विल एंड वो झुकती है नीचे. ठीक है. एंड देन देर इज श्रेयस तलपड़े का कैरेक्टर पेपर रोल करके ऐसे जूम करता है, ऐसे करके देखता है एंड देन इज लाइक जूम क्यों नहीं होता पेपर में.
So Shreyas Sarpade is also a creep. Everyone.
Everybody is a creep at the film.
So yes, sir, like, why should I be left
creep
out?
You
Five.
wanted us to watch this. Why?
यार बिकॉज ये चीजें जो मैं बता रहा हूँ इसके ऊपर हम लोग मिलके डिस्कशन करके बोल सकते थे कि नहीं करना चाहिए ये सब.
It's not even so bad that it's good.
Not
It's just bad.
necessary.
ऐसी पिक्चरों को पैसे नहीं देना चाहिए. थोड़ा ऐसे.
It is
For
not.
Snehil to say it's a bad film means it must be really bad.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ थोड़ा तो है. For sure. There's definitely a
but
factor
it
on
is
that.
what-
मतलब
it
you
is-
usually like cinema is what I'm saying.
मतलब
Oh, nice packaging you did. Huh?
but it is very bad. भाई किसी को अपने कुछ
हाँ, कोई भी
बोल
मुझे नहीं
कुछ
मिला है।
और रहे हैं, डबिंग कुछ और चल रही है.
वो तो हर गाने में अक्षय कुमार की dubbing
अक्षय
होती है.
कुमार भाई देयर आर सीन्स जहाँ अक्षय कुमार का क्लोजअप एंड अक्षय कुछ भी भलता बोल रहा है, पीछे कुछ भी और चल रहा है.
Dude, that I saw in the songs only.
Crazy
Flawless
shit.
lip sync.
Okay,
Yeah,
so anyway, Houseful 5 thumbs down.
Yeah, don't watch it.
Or watch it once and tell us how it is so that we don't have to.
Shout out to that one listener who texted everybody, like each one of us, to not watch Houseful. I should have listened to you,
He
dude.
customized the message for everyone.
Yeah,
like,
for
to me,
everybody.
he's like,
Yeah.
no matter how good on terms you are with Abhishek, please don't watch it.
Please don't watch
Oh
it.
my god.
Oh, dude. Yeah,
तो
yeah.
मैंने उसको रिप्लाई किया एक एंडिंग पे एक फ्री सर.
So I would like to give that shout out. उसका नाम है Reginald Andrew.
Reginald.
ये सिम्पसन का कैरेक्टर है क्या कोई?
नहीं Reggie तो is
Archie
Archie's.
Comics.
अच्छा, क्योंकि उसका DP सिम्पसन्स का है.
Oh,
Okay.
तो वो भी हो सकता है. I don't know. Maybe I don't know.
Is it
anything
an
about
American fan? We have an American fan, guys.
I highly doubt
We
it.
have a fan
Reginald.
from The Simpsons actually.
We should thank
Bart
him
Simpson.
Thanks,
in an
bro.
American
Next time
accent.
say I will make sure that I listen to what you say.
Thanks, Reginald. America forever, man.
4th July.
Born on the 4th of July. Happy
Uncle
Father's
Sam.
Day.
Oh my god.
You
You can't see me.
Hustle, loyalty, and respect. Anyway.
Cody Rhodes.
I've never
The American Nightmare.
Sorry, we're just doing a side.
People just got turned out of wrestling.
Tell us
Never
if you want me and Snehil to do a side WWE podcast.
Oh yeah, dude. हम लोग आपस में ही बात करते रहते हैं और अब्बास half the time मुझे reply नहीं करता.
What the fuck?
He'll be like pleb
Guys,
साला.
No, bro.
12 बज चुके हैं.
Oh हाँ, sorry.
Personal problems are
let's
Yeah, Happy Father's Day. What are we doing?
let's
Guys,
talk
so
about.
let's get into the father
Fuck is
centric discussion.
Bring up his therapist shit now.
Yeah, why not?
Oh,
Man?
dude, yeah, dude.
Okay, let's firstly talk about in
Papa
Bollywood portrayals
meri
of fathers. क्या? Sorry.
पापा मेरी जान हर दम रखना अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम.
पापा कहते हैं.
बहना नहीं हूँ मैं.
They've done an ad also.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Bollywood.
So Bollywood and fathers. Firstly,
Yes.
like there are particular ways in which they show a father as a good father or a bad father. Do you have any favorite ways or portrayals of fatherhood? or
फेवरेट
moments
तो नहीं
in
है,
Bollywood?
मतलब एज इन फेवरेट नहीं है, बट वेरी
Yeah.
टेम्पलेटाइज्ड वेज हैं. जैसे
हाँ.
आप कोई भी फॉर एग्जांपल दिल चाहता है देख लो, या आप दिल चाहता है, मैं आकाश के कैरेक्टर की बात कर रहा हूँ. लक्ष्य देख लो, लक्ष्य में ऋतिक के
Interesting. Both Farhan Akhtar films.
हो या ठीक है, तो उसके
Daddy,
वो तो फरहान अख्तर जोया अख्तर
both
की
हाँ,
films
फरहान
में-
जोया both.
हाँ, उसमें भी दिल रखने दो देख लो.
And like even their fathers' scripts used to have bad fathers.
It's generational
Yeah,
daddy
it's
issues.
तो आई थिंक उसमें ऐसी फिल्म्स में ना क्या होता है, एक ट्रोप जो मैंने देखा है, दैट इज कि फादर स्टार्टिंग में डिसअप्रूव कर रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म दे रहा है, एंड देन इवेंचुअली कम्स अराउंड एंड देन यू नो रियलाइजेस बिकम्स द
That
गुड
is, 2
फादर.
states, perfect 2 states.
टू स्टेट्स में, या दैट ऑल्सो.
Yeah,
Comes
two
around.
states, father is like. no,
But two
the
states
father.
has a very controversial scene where the son slaps the father.
Because
Yeah,
he's hitting the mother.
हाँ, मैं मतलब
It's all controversial. It's not like only the son slapping part is controversial. The dad तो ठीक ही कर रहे थे. ऐसा नहीं बोला वो बेचारा.
एक तो हमारे देश में वाटर बाउंड्री का प्रॉब्लम पता नहीं कब जाएगा हमारी लाइफ में.
Oh, bro. But yeah, okay.
But बॉलीवुड में हमेशा से यही दिखाया है, या तो द फादर इज प्रॉब्लमेटिक थ्रू आउट. प्रॉब्लमेटिक से मेरा मतलब स्ट्रिक्ट, ओवरटली स्ट्रिक्ट एंड looming around like a black cloud.
Yeah, sure.
कि बेटा ये नहीं करना, मार दूंगा लड़के को.
Or it's the overly like
friendly, over friendly.
yeah.
So,
also
which is non-existent. वो Rishi Kapoor in हम तुम and you know.
नहीं ऋषि कपूर पे
Anupam Kher in DDLJ.
अनुपम खेर इन DDLJ, अनुपम खेर इन
Pochino,
रहना है तेरे दिल में.
Yeah.
That's a very
Even-
weird father, by
yeah.
the way.
Anupam Kher has played a lot of these friendly
Yeah, a
dads.
lot of correct.
But I have to give a special mention. I have a Pookie dad, and the one Pookie dad in Bollywood that I saw was Badhai 2.
Gajraj
गजराज राव.
बधाई हो.
बधाई हो में भी थे वो, बधाई 2 में भी थे वो.
हाँ,
But
बधाई
हो,
a
yeah.
portrayal of Gajraj Rao, I think मतलब the cutest dad ever.
Yeah, sure.
हाँ,
For sure.
मतलब-
Yeah.
गजराज राव बेस्ट है ब्रो.
Yeah.
Yes.
Friend of the podcast.
Yes.
Yes.
Friend of the-
But I think, see, in Bollywood, fathers can never win because they have to compete with the ma. Okay, and there is no defeating the mother
But what if the
in
mother
Bollywood.
is dead? Unless the mother is dead.
Think
single
of
father.
bad mother characters in Bollywood. You can
We've
count.
done an entire
You
podcast.
can
on
count them on your fingers. Like
Check
itne,
out
itne kam
episodes of
honge.
Pop Rap.
And while you're there,
Nicely done. Nicely done.
but
Touche.
that's not starting from like Mother India to like take innumerable portrayals. The
Yeah.
mother is the
Because
ideal parent.
माँ ना bro,
sacrifice,
like माँ.
हाँ, love, sacrifice.
माँ.
मेरे पास माँ है
But
like.
also, most
yeah.
of these mothers who are doing sacrifice and being overtly nice are mostly to the sons.
Yeah, of course.
There's
yeah,
not
yeah.
there's not many good mother and
क्योंकि
daughter
लड़की घर की
relationship.
अमानत होती है, उसे एक दिन जाना होता है, ठीक है. बेटा जो होता है वो
Point
बहू को लेके
Yes,
आता
yeah,
है,
absolutely.
ठीक है?
But
That
she's
was-
actually right. That was
Yeah,
one of my
yeah.
points कि अगर आप कोई भी फादर सन पोर्ट्रेयल देखो
father-daughter
तो
will
वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक दिखाते हैं. फादर डॉटर देखो तो वो मोस्टली सपोर्टिव दिखाते हैं. मदर सन देखो तो वो सपोर्टिव दिखाते हैं. मदर डॉटर देखो तो वो प्रॉब्लमेटिक दिखाते हैं.
But ये तो थोड़ा रियल लाइफ में
हाँ,
भी
नो
feel
डाउट
जाता है।
अबाउट इट यार.
Yeah.
एक उसको कहते हैं ना, एक कमान में 2 ही तलवारें रह सकती
हाय
हैं.
हाय, ओहो.
But एक ही रह सकती है।
Yeah. Fair enough. So okay, next then. I like movies where okay. So abusive parents are a big thing in movies. Okay, movies
Or as
love
Indians
showing
call them parents.
parents.
Queen abusive parents.
So abusive parents who are extra manipulative or abusive in the sense sort of physically abusive also.
आपको भी मार पड़ी है पापा से?
हाँ।
पापा से हाँ
Yes.
भाई जिंदगी में पापा ज्यादा मारते नहीं थे पर 4-5 बार पड़ी है और वो 4-5 बार अभी भी याद है बस
लाइक मतलब ऐसा
कैसे?
थपेड़े
जोर से भाई मेरा
आपको
चश्मा
पड़ी
उड़
है?
हाँ,
पापा से मार पड़ी है?
हाँ, रिजल्ट वाले दिन पड़ती थी.
तो यार वो तो आपकी गलती है. तुम्हें भी पड़ी है पापा से?
मम्मी से भी पापा से भी।
गया। दोनों
मेरे पापा ने कभी नहीं मारा.
पापा ने मुझे मतलब
इसलिए तो ऐसा
हाँ, इसलिए ऐसा बिगड़ैल पैदा हुआ.
पापा का मानना was not like ऐसा नहीं it's like ऐसे।
ओ ये तो
नहीं।
दिस इज तो लव.
पर ये तो लड़की है यार
No, listen.
अब पापा लड़की
Actually,
है
yeah,
डॉक्टर को
that's-
नहीं मारेंगे
But it's not like it's not nice कि अरे पगली. It's not like that. It's like it's like ऐसे. तो then
Again, I didn't see. Sorry.
Yeah,
करता है फ्लेंच करता है तो तो मुझे मार पापा से डांट मार जो भी पड़ी है वो सिर्फ खाने के लिए पड़ी है कि
As in you
क्योंकि
weren't eating it?
I wouldn't eat properly that's why
You wouldn't eat or you would take food on your plate and then not finish
no
it?
I would be like मुझे नहीं खाना मेरा मन
okay.
नहीं है मन
Oh.
कैसे नहीं है मन होगा मन खाओ चुपचाप
खाओ चुपचाप.
मेरे पापा मोस्टली साइलेंट ट्रीटमेंट देते थे पापा. एंड ब्रो दैट हिट्स हार्डर देन द एक्चुअल.
मेरी माँ देती है साइलेंट
नहीं मेरी माँ मारती थी.
मम्मी से भी मार खाई है ना सबने.
मम्मी से मैंने मम्मी से ज्यादा खाई है.
चप्पल झाड़ू
मम्मी मेरी कल ही मुंबई लैंड करी है.
मारने तुझे मारने के लिए
क्या किया तूने?
but
So, but what was your point?
No,
Like,
my point is
are we rating the abuse?
no
Abusive
therapy
partners कह रहा हूँ.
के
Sorry.
ये repressed memories जगह की तेरा objective क्या था?
if you had to choose your
मम्मा ज्यादा मारती थी कि
favorite तो नहीं बोल सकते
Favorite
favorite
ही
abusive
बोल-
father but
From Bollywood.
according to you the best portrayal of an abusive father
of an abusive
Oh,
father.
I mean, I don't know if this is not physically abusive, but my mind
Udaan.
straight away. Udaan is one.
Udaan,
Yes.
yeah.
Dude, the dad from Tare Zameen Par.
yeah
He's
yes,
fucking terrible.
yes
Yeah.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Maybe because he's again too close to reality.
But then again ना भाई again the same trope कि पहले abusive और ये
हाँ,
और
of
वो
course.
and then comes around.
Yeah.
I think
Always,
most of
yeah.
the dad son movies that we see are based on this trope.
Except for one.
Except for Udan actually, where he doesn't
Udaan
come
never
around.
learns,
yeah,
yeah.
he never learns.
एक वेरिएशन इसका है जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दो बार में इमरान के फादर
हाँ.
नसरुद्दीन शाह.
Nasruddin Shah.
जो
It's like it gave father. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, and he's still not ready to take responsibility
Yeah.
of having a child.
Which is also very like a touch of reality.
Yeah.
And चलो ठीक है, I will talk about it.
What would you say is the funniest portrayal of a father or dad in Bollywood?
Actually, Badhai Ho is actually very funny.
Badhai was very funny. Yes. correct.
हाँ,
Yeah.
I also really like दो दूनी चार में ऋषि कपूर
Yes,
का
yeah,
portrayal of.
Dude, Andaz Apna Apna, both the dads and Andaz Apna Apna are very funny.
Oh yes, like मुझे मेरी मंजिल एकदम सामने दिखाई दे रही है बाबा.
आगे शमशान घाट है
और
पुलिस
पुलिस
स्टेशन है. क्या
कौन सी
मंजिल है?
मंजिल है बेटा तुम्हारी?
I think comedic fathers they diffuse little bit जो stereotype होता है ना masculine father का
Yeah.
So yeah, I think whenever Bollywood portrays friendly, happy-go-lucky fathers, it just eases the tension in the relationship.
But they're also a little caricaturish because Bollywood doesn't know, because we don't know what a comical father is most of the time.
Okay.
It does. She's right. It does seem like that.
मतलब
She's right.
मतलब
Yeah, it
वो
does seem like that.
सिर्फ comical होते हैं वो
yeah,
picture
वो
में. whereas-
ज़्यादा ही comical
Comically.
है, overtly, जो
Yeah,
कि
true.
real नहीं है, क्योंकि ऐसे होते ही नहीं.
As in, nobody's like that. Yeah, correct.
मेरे पापा is the cutest.
Yes, Papa is very cute. अब तो बोलना पड़ेगा. I don't know.
ठीक है.
Okay, so then, okay, let's get into it then. Okay, the main crux of the episode. The best and worst characters to possibly become fathers at some point in their life.
Mhm.
Who wants to go first? Because I have some very interesting options.
You only go then.
Should I go?
Yeah, please.
All right.
Let's start with an interesting
Because
Okay.
I think you took this topic because of what you had to say.
Yeah, one option he
Okay.
has a good one, so we had to choose this topic for the podcast.
Okay, I have one great option for best and one great option for worst.
Okay.
What should I start with first?
Worst.
Worst.
Yeah.
Table
Guys.
number 21 चल रही है
Great.
यहाँ पे.
Guys, so
who would be
according
the
to me,
worst? Yeah.
the actual proper worst father, okay, in Bollywood history, okay, is Sanjay Mehra. Who is that, you ask? Sanjay Mehra is Rakesh Roshan's character in Koi Mil Gaya.
Worst dad.
The worst dad.
Yeah.
He
But
is the
he
scientist.
has become
But
the
he-
dad.
No,
Yeah, he is a dad.
not yet. When he dies, he's not yet a dad.
Oh, technicality.
Oh shit!
He's about to become a father.
Yes.
He didn't care
Rekha is
about the-
pregnant.
Shit, bro.
He was just excited because he
Yeah.
caught the
Yes.
technicality.
What a great.
Why is
Think
he a
about
bad
it.
dad?
Because
Terrible
he didn't
dad.
care for the unborn
Exactly.
baby.
Didn't care about the unborn baby. All he cares about is fucking UFO. Okay, he wants to talk to those people. He won't give time to his child. He'll be a scientist by later on in his career because he's not accepted and his theories are not accepted. If he was still alive, he'll become that mad scientist, you know, who's obsessed only with his work and nothing else. And मेरा बेटा जाए बाहर यार जो भी कर रहा है करे.
Wow, what is this Rakesh
Horrible.
Roshan slander on this podcast?
No, not in real life. In real life, he's a great dad.
I also think in the movie only. But don't you think because of his efforts, ultimately he gets jadoo? Rohit gets jadoo because of his father's efforts, right?
Yeah, no, but
Yeah.
that's inadvertently.
Interesting.
That's inadvertently. That's how. There's no way he
But had he
planned for
not
that to
contacted,
happen.
had he not
यार अगर वो ओम 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 ओम
Yeah.
बनाता ही नहीं
तो उसको दोस्ती नहीं मिलता
तो
रोहित
उसको
से।
कभी हाँ
अरे
और
but
उसको एक बाप
अगर वो
मिलता।
अगर if his dad wouldn't have an accident,
हाँ वही ना तो
Yeah.
if he
उसको
wouldn't have had an
जादू नहीं
accident,
मिलता उसको एक बाप मिलता
नहीं, yeah, exactly.
और
What
और
exactly?
उसको mental problems भी
नहीं होते।
मिलते
नहीं होते
Yeah,
शायद।
yeah, correct. Pretty Zinta would fall in love with him, not because of his problem. What the fuck?
Sure है भाई, अंतरिक्ष।
घटिया आदमी भाई
Yes, the worst portrayal of a father.
आगे मत
Rakesh Roshan.
अंतरिक्ष बस चले वो एपिसोड खत्म कर दे
Great, that's it.
He's like done.
Yeah, where is he? Rest of the movie, man. What the fuck? Dead? Who wants a dead father? Dead fathers by definition are bad fathers.
ठीक है.
Who's the good one?
Oh,
best
the good one. Okay, the best.
Or should we save it? Should we come
Let's
back
save
to
it. Let's come back to it.
चलो ठीक है.
Okay.
कीर्ति.
We are doing bad father.
I guess so. It's more fun that way.
Okay, bad father. Manoj Kumar Sharma from Barbie fail, 12th fail.
Wow, bad father.
Yeah, because that's a benchmark I don't want to reach, and I'll never
Oh,
be
he's
able
like
to.
too.
IAS ऑफिसर बना मैं.
या
Too
और वो भी
good.
5 अटेम्प्ट देके तो उसके तो लाइफ में वो ही अलग है वही मतलब इंस्पिरेशन ही उसका अलग है. मैं हूँ मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ. मेरी लाइफ में कभी उस लेवल का इंस्पिरेशन किसी चीज के लिए नहीं आएगा.
Interesting to point out at this point that 12th fail is based on a real story. The
That-
guy actually really
Sorry.
exists.
That and also my father
हाँ.
has topped all India UPSC.
So you know.
So
Yeah,
she rests her
exactly.
case.
Exactly, dude.
She's
What
like
you
hence
saying?
proved.
But it's a tall order to
For sure,
beat,
for sure.
and I don't want that kind of pressure. And he'll be like कि रोटी कपड़ा मकान छोड़ो बैठ के पढ़ाई करो ट्यूबलाइट के नीचे. बट नो मुझे तो एसी चाहिए और सोना है दिन में 2 बार.
Yeah, आटे की फैक्ट्री में काम करो तुम.
हाँ
Yeah.
तो
हाँ.
yeah.
You don't want. So the thing is, like, the problem is you don't want those examples in life. You know, when dads get pissed or parents get pissed, they give like मेरे ज़माने में ये करता था. अरे तुम you're too privileged. मैं तो ऐसे रोटियां बेली है मैंने.
And
You
he
know.
has too good of an example.
Yeah, so his son will forever have that under.
So why won't he tell his son
performing.
के अरे मैं भी 5 बार फेल हुआ हूँ यार 12th में तुम 1 बार फेल हुए तो क्या हुआ एक और अटेम्प्ट दे सकते हो. Why would he not
क्या
do that?
बोलेगी कि इसके पापा को देखो 5 बार
Yeah.
अटेम्प्ट देके फिर वो उन्होंने फिर भी यूपीएससी पास किया और इस लड़की के एक बार 12th साइंस में खराब मार्क्स आए तो इसने आर्ट्स ले लिया. लूजर.
तुम
अपनी बात
अंतरिक्ष
कर रहे हो.
Please safeguard this episode. A few years later, I
अपनी
think
बात
we
कर रही हूँ
will.
मैं अपनी.
What's his full name?
मनोज कुमार शर्मा.
शर्मा जी का बेटा.
शर्मा जी का बेटा.
हाँ, उसके तो नाम में है. पर मेरे को इसके ऊपर एक लार्जर क्वेश्चन है. So the characters who start off not being good characters but by the end realize the importance of life. Okay, like for example in मेरी लिस्ट में कबीर है from जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
मुझे लगा कबीर सिंह बोलने वाले.
नहीं कबीर सिंह नहीं वो तो आई होप फादर ना बने.
बन जाता है भाई.
मैंने
पिक्चर
picture
का
देखी
स्टॉप
नहीं
पहला
है.
सीन ही वही
But
है.
he
But
is
Kabir-
there in one of my lists.
Okay,
Yeah,
we'll
okay.
come to
I'll
it.
As
spoil
a good
it.
father.
I'll wait for it.
चलो
Okay.
Kabir from ZNMD starts off in the movie as "K work is most important. I can't. I'll sacrifice everything for work." By the end of the movie,
Changed man.
Karina has taught him that.
करीना नहीं कटरीना.
Katrina, sorry, my bad. Katrina has taught him about the importance of life, simple moments.
Actually,
So
Kangana.
would
actually.
एक second.
would he? What?
Katrina has taught him.
अर्जुन है.
कबीर
ऋतिक के
is
कैरेक्टर
फरहान.
का नाम नहीं.
Kabir is,
कबीर is
Abhay
अभय
Deol.
देओल.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right.
My bad.
Shit.
For example, Arjun from Zindagi Na Mile Dobara. When the movie starts, he wants to sacrifice everything for work. Work is the most important thing.
He wants his
Then,
Ferrari.
He wants his Ferrari. Then
Doesn't want to trade in for a Ford
this very
Fiesta.
hot deep dive instructor teaches him the meaning of life
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the small moments of life.
Correct.
Now, would Arjun be a good dad or a bad dad?
No, because he'll be broke and the kid will be
Wow.
broke.
But he has money already.
But कितने दिन चलेंगे पैसे जिससे
यार
वो
स्मार्ट
travel कर
भाई
रहा है.
एक सेकंड वो स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर भी तो हो सकता है.
Also, firstly,
But market का कोई भरोसा नहीं है. Okay?
I don't know about Arjun.
प्रॉपर ब्रोकर उसको तो पता ही है.
But अगर पूरा स्टॉक मार्केट ही क्रैश हो गया तो फिर
For
I
more
think-
financial advice,
So
reach
I
out
think-
to popconversations@gmail.com.
so I think the jodi of Hrithik and Katrina in that movie, right?
Yeah.
Hrithik will be the strict dad. Katrina
Why
will be the
though?
hippie, chill mom.
He's learned the idea of
Yeah, but-
being-
but some
he's also a
things-
hippie now.
Dude, but
वो
conditioning.
नहीं है hippie. वो
Conditioning.
उसने यहाँ तक सीखा है यहाँ तक नहीं पहुंचा है उसके.
Also,
थोड़ा सा सीखा है वो.
Hurt people.
Wow.
Okay, so
Whoa.
Okay,
Bro,
so-
this should be on a t-shirt, bro.
dude, this is the most common
Yeah,
phrase.
it's
I didn't make it up.
Yeah,
What
it's
the fuck?
It's
You
not
don't know
a-
this? This is
the
It's not
first-
his quote.
Yeah,
This
dude.
is the first time
I'm glad you thought I'm a genius or something
Bro,
right
I
now.
swear this is the first
Like,
time
oh,
I've
Antariksh is, oh my god, Antariksh is coming out with all this. It's fucking-
Antariksh
Proverbs.
didn't only overcook popcorn.
Yeah, that popcorn had been hurt by me. So it hurt me back.
So you still think Arjun would be an asshole dad?
Yeah.
I don't think he'd be an
Interesting.
asshole.
No, he's not an asshole dad.
Asshole dad
Why
He'll be
नहीं.
a
not?
strict dad. I'm not saying asshole dad.
क्योंकि
Because-
उसको होने ही नहीं देगी asshole.
नहीं
नहीं, इसका भी सुन
I'll
लेते
tell
हैं
you
ना,
why.
why?
Because I think he knows what an absence of a dad brings to the child. So I think he won't be that dad. He won't be that person. He will be available. He will be there for the child, so that what he went through, his child does not have to go through.
Would Imran be a good dad?
Imran will be a very chill dad.
Imran,
Farhan.
yeah, bro. मेरी list में है वो for a good dad.
So he will break the chain of.
Yeah, because see, I'll tell you why. अगर वो नसीरुद्दीन शाह वाले कैरेक्टर के साथ अगर उसका क्लोजर नहीं हुआ होता, then he would have been a bad dad, according to me, in my mind. See, so Imran, according to me, has a very interesting arc. ठीक है, so for the most part of his life, he feels Anupam Kher is his dad. ठीक है, so Anupam Kher, by the way, plays the stepdad, जो deleted scenes में है, but और मूवी के क्रेडिट्स में स्पेशल थैंक्स अनुपम खेर भी आता है, by the way.
That's crazy. I had no idea Anupam Kher.
हाँ, so
There's a deleted scene, by the way.
Anupam Kher plays the stepdad. So for the most part of his life, he thinks Anupam Kher is the dad.
Yeah.
तो उसके लिए एक वर्ल्ड ऑलरेडी बिल्ट है, तो जो भी उसका रिलेशनशिप उसके फादर के साथ रहेगा, विच वी गेट टू नो इन दैट जेल वाला सीन, दैट ही वाज वेरी सपोर्टिव, ही वाज ऑलवेज देयर, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. So he always
for all the three boys.
yeah, so he always had a very good relationship with his dad, right? That is where they established कि उसका parent son dad son relationship बहुत अच्छा है. The world comes crumbling down when he gets to know कि उसका असली बाप तो वो था ही नहीं. ठीक है, this is where the issues start. This is where the problem in the mind begins, right? तो उस पीरियड में अगर आप देखो, अगर उसको क्लोजर नहीं मिलता, वो अगर वो उस बैगेज के साथ फादर बनता, तो उसके बैगेज जो था वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो सकता था. बट व्हेन ही फाइनली मीट्स नसीरुद्दीन शाह, he has a conversation, he realizes कि भाई क्या इंसान है, मेरी मम्मी ने क्यों छुपाया मुझे, और जब अपना पूरा क्लोजर कॉन्वर्सेशन करता है, जिससे हमें पता लगता है जब वो अर्जुन को फाइनली सॉरी बोलता है. ठीक है, वो पूरे क्लोजर के बाद आई थिंक ही रिजॉर्ट्स बैक टू द डिफॉल्ट ऑफ हाउ अ गुड फादर सन रिलेशनशिप इज सपोज टू बी, एंड देन ही इवेंचुअली विल बी अ गुड डैड.
So since we are talking about all three of them, let's complete. What do you think
Kabir.
Kabir will be then?
I think Kabir has had a great
good-
parent
yeah, I
son
think so. He
Yeah.
showed like
relationship
that.
with both. He has
हाँ,
had a happy
very.
life. That's what he
So then he
seems
could
like.
go the other way around. Is what you're saying.
As a father, no, I think
I
that
think,
is
yeah, it's gotta continue,
That's
yeah.
a good happy
Yeah,
family
yeah,
to be
correct,
in.
yeah.
Do you think enough of Kalki's character rubs off on him? That he
No,
will
no, it
have-
doesn't.
No.
But he doesn't marry her. So.
that's
No, he
right.
doesn't, but yeah.
Yeah.
बट ये मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है हाइपोथेटिकल, कि आज अगर तुम्हें पता चले कि यू आर अडॉप्टेड एंड योर फादर इज नॉट योर फादर, वुड
My-
दैट चेंज थिंग्स फॉर
Firstly, my respect for my parents would go way up.
Yeah, dude. I think मैं उनके बोझ तले और दब जाऊंगा,
correct.
dude.
Yeah, correct. Like already, like there's a certain level of like your parents have done so much for you.
So much for you,
Right?
dude. Yeah.
And you almost like I think of this a lot. Okay, there is no way I can ever pay them back in any way.
कोई सीन ही नहीं है ना
Right?
भाई.
So
वो
you
तो-
do think of that.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is, if you are adopted, like that thought would just, I think, be even more in the forefront in your head. You know, like how do I pay my parents back? They've done so much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
for me
that
in
is
my
what I don't get with Imran as his character, that he gets very disturbed and he goes in the hunt of his original father. What I think, कि if I would be in that position, I would be like कि भाई fuck that person, because he didn't
They didn't try to
stay
get in
for,
touch, yeah.
me, stay there for me, and I don't care about कि वो मेरा real father है, because this person has brought me up with all the love and support, so I would not care.
The only thing
So
was that he
I don't
didn't
get.
know
Yeah.
whether his father tried to contact him or not.
No,
That's what
I'll
Snehal is gonna
yeah.
say.
So I'll tell you again.
Exactly.
तो वो पहली बात तो वो अडॉप्टेड वाला सीन उसके अंदर आता नहीं है, because he is not adopted. ठीक है, right?
Oh, yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Secondly, it probably is easier to say than to actually implement when you know who your actual father is. You are actually in the vicinity where your actual father is living.
No,
And-
but if I know my real father abandoned me and my mother in this case, in ZNMD's case, and he was like, no, I cannot take this responsibility, bhai tum sambhalo bachcha. So I wouldn't go seek that person.
No, but you'd still want to know
Closure,
where you come
no,
from,
like-
right?
Really.
मतलब obviously it is
And
a very
he-
subjective.
and he gets so
Yeah, for me,
conflicted.
I would want to know who's my biological
okay.
father.
And then probably have a closure also कि भाई
Nah, closure, yeah, maybe.
again it is very subjective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
But varies from person to person.
Okay.
कोई
But
ऐसे
anyway.
अलग से क्लिप करके मत डाल देना. I would like to know who my biological father is.
भिवंडी में पापा देख रहे हैं अबे तेरा पैसा मैं भराऊंगा कॉलेज का.
I look exactly like my dad. I sound exactly like my dad.
prove
My
क्यों कर रहे हो?
mannerisms
मिले
are
ही
exactly
हो।
like my dad. तो काफी बड़ा स्कैंडल हो जाएगा.
ठीक है.
You know, I don't know if you know this, but
Yeah.
at
You're my dad.
yes, I am. But when adopting, right, a lot of times parents will adopt a child that already looks similar to their
Oh,
parents.
really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
What is that statistic? How do you know that?
I know this because my mom used to.
Yeah, why do you know that?
My mother used to be a doctor. She's a doctor, and in Goa, when we used to stay in Goa, she used to be the pediatrician on call for an orphanage.
Ah, okay.
That's what I know.
They also check the parents' criminal records, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
If
केस के
I
खून में
get,
तो नहीं है जुर्म करना.
if I get to know that I am
Wait.
adopted,
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
if I get to know I am adopted, I would be Alok from Bagban.
Who was Alok?
Salman.
Salman.
Yeah, I would be
Salman.
like Papa.
Papa.
Thank you.
Papa.
मेरी जा.
Sorry, about what you just said.
Criminal
Yeah,
records,
yeah. You mean the criminal records for the parents who are leaving their child behind, or the parents who are adopting
Leaving
the
the child. The one,
Leaving the child?
the couple who is adopting the child
Yeah.
wants to check the background
Yes.
Of the original
the
parents.
original parents,
Oh,
right?
I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, of course they do.
Makes sense.
वो serial killer का बच्चा हुआ तो
मतलब
अरे तो बच्चे ने क्या करा है?
बच्चे ने नहीं करा है लेकिन
But
वो
conditioning is conditioning.
I don't know. It's a thing.
वो biological होता है यार थोड़ा.
All right, Snail, what is your worst daddy?
I think Dev from Devdas.
Oh yes, absolutely.
For sure.
Alcohol.
Yeah,
No,
there's
no.
not
Alcoholic, has daddy issues, is obsessive, is abusive.
Abusive.
He's a waste of potential
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah.
Is
लौंडियाबाजी
He could have
करता
been
है.
like the greatest actor in the cinema, but no.
And imagine Chunni Lal as your uncle.
And with the amount of alcohol, maybe he will not have a kid.
No, I mean technically he dies
Yeah.
at the end of this
Yeah.
story.
so yeah. So in between that time when he died,
Yeah.
he could have had a kid.
Dev would be a
Been a-
terrible,
How
terrible.
about Dev from Dev D?
Bad still.
Bad, still bad.
No, but he gets catharsis in
हाँ
that
वो
movie.
एक्चुअल में आपको पता है ओरिजिनल क्लाइमैक्स में कथारसिस नहीं था.
हाँ, but Anurag Kashyap fell in love with Kalki, so he was like,
My God.
yeah, this is true. He fell in love with Kalki. His worldview changed, and he said, "Now I want to give it a happy ending."
Bro,
this is on record.
हाँ आई थिंक ओके ठीक है.
तेरा क्या? तूने क्या
अब
सुना है?
मैंने ये सुना दैट द एंडिंग दैट दिस बॉय अभय देओल सजेस्टेड वाज टू डार्क एंड सो आई थिंक अनुराग वाज लाइक कि इतना डार्क नहीं चल पाएगा लाइफ में तो थोड़ा अपने को बेटर करना पड़ेगा.
Possible. Maybe that's why Anurag and Abhay had a fallout. Should we do another round of bad or should we do
No,
good?
I have a
Bad
one.
dad.
I have a good question to
Yeah,
ask all
okay.
of you. So in Gangs of Wasseypur, there were two main
Best dads.
fathers,
Best
Yes.
dads ever.
Sardar Khan and Ramadev
Baap
Singh.
ka, dada
Who
ka.
would you say is a
The
better,
better
father, between the both of them?
Ramadhir.
रामादेव ब्रो
Without a
एटलीस्ट चीट तो नहीं कर रहा था.
नहीं. Oh, that we don't know. In the
मूवी में तो नहीं,
as
मूवी
far
के
as we
यूनिवर्स
know.
में तो बट
but also was able to keep his children alive,
Yeah, exactly.
stay alive, be available for his children.
Yeah.
Okay.
Went through
Tell,
so many hardships.
yeah, when the child is faltering in their own profession, he tells them कि तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
So
रियलिटी चेक भी
But
देता
also
है.
Sardar Khan बर्डन था अपने पापा की डेथ से, फिर भी उसने अपने बच्चों के लिए अच्छा एम्पायर
नहीं, पर बॉर्डर में तो रख देखे
बट एक सेकंड वो चीट करता है उस पे.
हाँ.
वो उस बेटे का भी ख्याल रखता है, उसको 10,000 रुपए महीने देता है
तो are you fine with that?
I'm just
So what?
अंतरिक्ष ओपनिंग.
She has a
Tell me, are you fine with that?
She has a
That's a
point.
good
He
father.
failed as a husband, but as a father, he was taking care of.
बट अगर वो अच्छा बाप होता तो अपने बच्चों को इसी धंधे इसी उसमें तो नहीं
गैंग्स ऑफ
डाला.
वासेपुर में कोई अच्छा नहीं है.
नहीं अगर कम गंदा बाप होता.
But see, Ramadhir. हाँ.
वो ट्राई तो कर रहा था एक डिसेंट बिजनेस सेटअप करने
हाँ,
की, बट
correct.
ही वाज पुल्ड इनटू अ क्राइम अगेन
Sure.
बीच में. इफ यू रिमेम्बर द सेकंड पार्ट, तो आई थिंक ही वाज आल्सो गुड ओनली. They were both good in their own ways. At least Sardar Khan was not demotivating to his sons. Ramadev was like, भाई तू बिल्कुल ही तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
But I feel also like Ramadhir was able to protect his son better.
But would you be
Did Ramadhir's son also die?
No,
I
he
don't
didn't.
remember.
Ramadhir dies.
Ramadhir, of course.
Dies and how?
Would you be okay with being protected but also humiliated all the time?
Guys,
मतलब
should we leave? You guys want to have this conversation?
All the time.
I think that is all our lives in real life. We eat our father's food and then in return we get abuses from him. It's fine. That's the trade-off.
Sure. I was just curious.
देखो
Ramadhir.
रामाधीर like any good papa knew that जब तक हिंदुस्तान में सिनेमा है लोग चूतिया बनते रहे.
हाँ.
So I think
That's the
We
piece
are
of
the fourth
wisdom.
Yeah. Good or bad? Next क्या करें?
अब तो गुड ही करना
good
पड़ेगा.
करते हैं हाँ बहुत
Okay.
बुरे बापों
चलो,
को
let's start with someone
discuss
else.
कर लिए.
Anand Kumar from Super 30.
मैंने देखी नहीं सुबह छोटी.
I
because
got real characters, bro.
But this
Characters
is Hrithik
inspired by
Roshan.
real people.
because yeah, actually, but he's a math genius and I am a math dumb. For me, it would be.
भाई इसका मैं पर्सनल बता सकता हूँ. मेरी मम्मी मैथ पढ़ाया करती थी स्कूल में और मुझे 35 मिले थे 100 में से. मेरी मम्मी मुझे चिराग तले अंधेरा बुलाया करती थी.
Okay. मेरी theory fail कर दी. अब pass में
Similarly, my mom's a doctor and she would always.
podcaster.
Bro, एक सेकंड. वैसे मेरे को genuinely ये जानना है. Like now, I'm very curious. I'm sorry if it sounds disrespectful, but
I don't accept.
So popcorn लाओ भाई.
You're already apologizing.
how has it been?
Yeah, I agree with him because it's a tall order.
तुम्हारा पिताश्री UPSC ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1. तुम्हारी मम्मा डॉक्टर,
Gold medalist.
गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट.
Yeah, gold medalist.
तुम अपने सोफे पे बैठ के पिक्चरें जज करते हो.
नहीं, मैं उनके सोफे पे. Let's be honest here.
But it's not, I mean, if I may add.
Like I am a disappointment, but मेरे पापा डॉक्टर नहीं थे. आप
See,
उसके
I'll
घर
tell
में
you
बैठ
what.
के उसके इक्विपमेंट में हर हफ्ते उसके घर का खाना खाते हो.
I'll tell you what. Okay? I'll tell you what. Okay.
Fight back at
My
that.
parents
Yeah.
get very impressed by the little things I've accomplished already. You know, like मेरे parents को लगता है मैं गजराज राव के साथ गजराज राव सर के साथ उठना बैठना है मेरा. मनोज बाजपेयी तो मेरा जिगरी है. उनको ये सब लगता है.
Nice.
तो मैंने अवार्ड जीत लिया, उनके लिए इतनी बड़ी बात हो गई.
हाँ, वो
I know
होता है.
nothing. It hasn't changed shit in my life. That award. Okay, nothing has changed.
Yeah, fair.
But I have to say, Antriksh, you are lucky this way.
For sure.
Because it took me a while to hear good things about myself from my parents.
That
Because
can't be.
yeah.
Your parents are the most supportive.
Now.
Oh, they also had an arc.
Yeah, definitely. So
Bro, I think every parent goes through an arc, I feel.
Of course, it's life.
Because after a point they give up also. They're like कि इससे अब इतना ही हो पाया है.
Correct, that's
So
true.
let's just be happy with
Maybe that's
whatever
why my parents have such low expectations.
I think the
Like,
same
कुछ
is
भी
the
रहेगा.
case with me also.
Yeah,
But
ऐसा नहीं है.
I'll tell you a very funny
Achieved
story.
a lot in life, bro. ऐसा मत बोलो.
Bro,
अपना तो मजाक उड़ा ही सकता है यार.
Bro, I'll tell you a very funny story. ठीक है, so I was talking to my dad the other day and he's like कैसा चल रहा है फ्रीलांस का. वो मैंने कहा कह रहे जॉब वॉब का क्या चल रहा है. मैंने कहा वैसा ही है. he's like सैलरी वैलरी बढ़ रही है. मैंने कहा नहीं बढ़ रही. ठीक है, तो anyway and then he's always been into business. He's never like worked under like a boss. ठीक है, तो पहले वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में थे, फिर वहाँ से ही वेंट ऑन टू डू हिज ओन बिजनेस. तो इज लाइक फ्रीलांस का क्या चल रहा है. एंड देन मैंने उनको बताया कि मेरे को वो एक एपिसोड के इतना दे रहे हैं और मैं सोच रहा हूँ
Now
उनको.
everybody knows.
अरे यार क्या तो आई वाज लाइक एक एपिसोड का है मेरे को उसको उनसे बात करनी है बढ़ाने के लिए. एंड देन माय डैड गोज लाइक क्या सोच रहे हो, कितना बढ़ाने की बात करोगे.
Oh, I can already guess.
ब्रो एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं उनको बोलूँगी तो कर ही दें मेरा मतलब एटलीस्ट. एंड देन माय डैड गोज लाइक कितना खुश हो जाते हो ना तुम.
Correct, dude. I get it, man. I get it. I get it.
I'm like,
Dude.
पापा ऐसे तो
मैं इतनी मेहनत दिन रात करके मैं आ रहा हूँ.
Even my father, he had no hopes from me. I'll be very honest. I was a good student earlier in life, and then I declined.
Yeah, same.
Oh, same.
monumentally. And मैंने science में I scored like poorly in 12th, and then I took arts. When I took arts, that was the day I could see my पापा के चेहरे पे कि he has given up. He has thought कि इसकी तो शादी ही करानी पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये कोई सैलरी नहीं लाने वाली है पक्का. That is not going to
ये
happen.
डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मेरी माँ का था मैंने जब साइंस से कॉमर्स ली थी.
Yes.
पापा वो लाइक पढ़ाई से किसी का कहाँ ही कुछ हुआ है तो जिंदगी में मेहनत करनी है तो दैट्स
पढ़ाई है जिंदगी ना mostly.
So sad.
ठीक है.
Should
गुड
we wrap up? I think we're
Okay,
done.
now we'll move on from the therapy session.
Yeah.
हाँ तो मेरा ऑप्शन था लास्ट आनंद कुमार फ्रॉम
Super
सुपर
30.
30 बिकॉज वो इंटेलिजेंट तो है ही बट ही इज द वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट टीचर्स. तो आपको कितना हैंडी होगा कि आपके घर पे वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीचर्स है जो
Dude,
आपको पढ़ा
no.
मेरी नानी टीचर है dude.
But dude, that's not always great. Okay, my dad is also an academician. Academician? What is the word?
Academic.
Academic. He's an academic.
I don't know.
Okay, and he is also like my dad always he's an ex-IIT and all that. Okay, so उनका सब फंडे उनके बहुत clear हैं when it comes to like physics and maths and all.
भाई अंकल एक्स IIT भी हैं. Oh fuck dude.
खत्म करो यार. There's no way I can ever.
Bro, there is no way anybody can ever.
Every sentence.
That's why you
Antariksh is
just
like-
change. You just
Yeah.
change fields.
Nah, that is
Something
true,
that
bro.
can't
Good,
be compared to
good,
that.
good job.
Yeah, of course.
Also, he used to do like hobby. He
Yeah.
was a surgeon as a hobby. Like,
कभी कभी
not, I just know
कभी
it.
कभी वो मम्मी को हेल्प करने के लिए
हाँ,
चले
चले
जाते
जाते
थे.
थे. हाँ, हाँ.
और कभी कभार बच्चों का वो काटना होता है
Umbilical cord.
Umbilical cord काटना होता है.
Sorry, but this is a good time to
बच्चों का
plug his book.
काटना होता है.
Dude, by the way,
Yes, your dad is also an author.
my dad is
There
also
you go.
on top of all these amazing things.
Yeah.
My dad has now also become an author, and he's
Yeah.
already a multi-book author. He's written multiple books.
Hmm.
The latest one is called. This is actually the first draft of it. It is now available in its final form on Amazon as
Oh, wow,
in
dude.
ebook, paperback, or hardcover, whatever you want it. The book is called "What My Father Should Have Told Me: Unlocking Wisdom, Wealth, and Success."
Nice.
Okay, and it's all the things my father should have told me.
You can show it to the camera.
Yeah,
I mean the
please.
cover.
This was the working cover back in then, and yeah, it's gone through a lot of iterations. Please check it out. A lot of hard work has gone into this book for him, and yeah, it's actually amazing, dude. My dad has been going through some health issues for the last few years, and through all of that, seeing that him keeping strong and keeping himself busy with these books
Yeah.
has been a great thing to see for him to be able to
Channel
firstly,
all of it.
to channel all of it, because this is the second book he's written. Okay, actually this is the third book he's written. First one he wrote like just like the correct way to so we've been getting Ganesh into our house,
Right.
Ganpati, for the last 15 years now. So he was like, I was just looking one day, it's like a very thin book it is. I was looking one day, nobody really has put down all the points and correct ways that you can celebrate Ganpati at home.
Oh.
I'm like, wow, okay, that's interesting. So he
Yeah.
wrote that, like a very thin book.
Right.
Then he was like, okay, now what do I do, right? So he had been going through cancer, basically he's fighting cancer, okay? So he wrote a book, all the questions that any patient and families of patients of cancer can possibly have.
Yeah.
He wrote like a fucking encyclopedia on this, dude. Like anything you want on the whole thing. Like at what point should you be actually concerned? What is the scariest part of it? What will be the most difficult part of the journey? What will be the easiest? Where will you need help?
Yeah.
What kind of doctors you would need, etc., etc. All of that. He's compiled everything he knew into a book, and
Wow,
he's put
dude,
that out
nice.
also. And this is the third book.
We'll link all these
Yeah.
books
Oh,
in
yes,
the
yes,
description.
100%.
Yes.
It's almost crazy
Yeah,
that
dude.
a person in like 3 years, less than 3 years, has wrote 3 books. It's crazy, dude. So amazing. And please go check it out.
Yeah, go ahead,
And please buy it if you think it'll be actually interesting for you.
अपन
Very
लोग
good.
मतलब वो होता है कि कभी मैं पापा के बारे में बात करूं या कुछ ऐसा हो एंड like when you think of all the things that he's been through and then all the things that he's actually accomplished and the way that he's been like you know हम लोगों को जैसे पाला है उन्होंने dude मतलब वो मेहनत देख के मेरे को लगता है कि भाई अपन
हम तो कभी कुछ नहीं
कर ही नहीं सकते भाई, कर ही नहीं सकते.
Dude,
ये वो मीम हो गया ना, my parents at 30
yeah.
bought a
I
house.
swear, dude, like,
Me
I
at
swear.
30.
Dude, like I think exactly. Dude,
Filter नहीं मिल रहा है सही Instagram पे
I think
डालने
of this
के
all
लिए.
the time.
Same,
okay, like
same.
My luckily my family is now because of my father well off. Okay, in the sense like my father has multiple properties in his name. I think, dude, how will we or our generation or I ever afford any property in something like Bombay, dude?
Bro,
That's
बॉम्बे में तो प्रॉपर्टी खरीदना आई
impossible.
थिंक
How? क्यों? Any answer? कैसे
Trying to
करेगा?
make
होगा
rent,
यार,
bro.
होगा.
भाई रेंट के पैसे जमा हो जाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि
भाई
अकम्प्लिश.
झंडा गाड़ दिया. फिर
7
स्ने-
करोड़ का
हाँ, फिर स्नेहिल के डैड की आवाज आती है, तुम लोग कितने खुश हो जाते हो रेंट भरने में कितने खुश हो जाते हो ना तुम लोग.
बट भाई यार पता नहीं अब पता नहीं क्या है, ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी. आई थिंक लेट्स ब्लेम इट ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द
Technology is the
एपिसोड.
Best fathers.
बेस्ट
I have a name. Tell me if
Okay.
you think you agree with this or not. Chulbul Pandey from Dabang, I think will be a good father. Because he knows how to stand up to bullies and yet he's also soft at heart.
Soft at heart. Also, I think be a fun father.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And
Also,
he is a family man despite all
Yes.
the difficulties he's facing
Yeah.
at his job. He is present for his wife.
Correct.
And he is there. Like not just there to romance, actually support her. So I think yes.
So I haven't seen Dabang 3. Does he have a kid by Dabang 3? No, right?
I don't think so. No.
I don't remember. I think I have not seen.
No. He
Okay.
does. I'm pretty sure he does.
मेरे को भी याद नहीं है dude.
So yeah.
But okay, Chulbul.
But I think होना चाहिए kid.
Chulbul or
by
Singham?
Dabang.
Better parent. Better dad.
Chulbul.
Chulbul?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like-
Singham is too serious.
Also
no?
Singham becomes a
Doesn't
dad
joke.
by the third one.
He does,
right?
and
Yeah.
he's a bad one at that.
Also, Singham is too involved in his job.
I also have a Salman character
100%.
Oh,
for a
really?
good dad, and that's Bajrangi from Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Oh,
yes, of course.
no.
Yeah.
A good dad?
bro.
Yeah, dude.
What
Bro,
are
वो
you
अनजान
saying?
बच्ची को बॉर्डर तक ले जाता
Like,
है यार
yeah.
वापस घर
He's
भेजने
ride or
के लिए.
die.
But my only thing is, he's too naive and gullible. You know, in that sense.
Okay, he can learn.
भाई
Like,
उसके
your dad needs to be a little more street smart, bro. A little more.
तो
yeah,
उसके लिए
teach you about the world.
करीना से शादी करता है ना वो उसमें, तो करीना विल हैंडल दैट पार्ट.
Also, it's
Oh, I paid to say आवाज में सिखाई.
but it's cute how he is naive and gullible.
Yeah, sometimes
But does that
like
make for a good father? That's the
yeah,
question.
dude, why not?
What you find cute and all is immaterial.
Yeah,
Okay.
but of course.
No, like the sensitive side to
Yeah.
to the character.
Create empathy in your children.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bro. Yeah.
Okay.
We are all. I know we are all
I'm
too
just
used
putting
to.
out. I'm just putting out alternate, avenues of thought, man. That's it.
Okay.
Sorry, what do you
Sure.
say?
I was like, we are all too used to listening to our father abuse on the roads. I know that, but still.
Actually, no, my dad.
हाँ, even my dad doesn't abuse. Like in
मैंने
front of me
पहली
at
बार
least.
जिंदगी में गाली तभी सुनी थी जब मेरे पापा ने
My dad
एक
never.
बाइक वाले को जाते हुए
Oh, yeah.
मैंने बहुत
एक गाली
late
दे दी
सुनी
थी.
अपने पापा के मुंह से गाली.
मैंने नहीं सुनी पापा के मुझसे गाली.
वो भी तक ऐसे इतने धीरे से बोली उन्होंने कि मैंने बोला क्या पापा ऐसे
मैंने-
मैं बोलती
ये आर्ट स्टूडेंट्स ना. Do you have one, Snehal? Good dad?
I've said
Oh, yeah,
ना,
you said,
Bajrangi.
Okay, I have one.
Bajrangi, yeah.
I have a great one. And let me know what you guys think of.
Okay.
You know, when we think of fathers, we don't usually, we think of earthbound ones.
जादू.
Why not have a father in
PK?
PK?
अरे ब्रो, चैट जीपीटी की है इसने लिस्ट में बता.
भाई, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. I take offense to that. Just like my dad PK would.
No, I don't want
PK
an out of space father.
Inquisitive, doesn't like, conform with societal norms.
But his friends, his
Runs
Non-conformist.
naked on the road.
child's
That's
father
because
will
he's learning. He's
shit-
learned.
His child's father will get child's friends will get shit scared of his eyes only.
ब्रो और उसका बेटा
No, man.
बहुत, उसका बच्चा बुली होगा बहुत ज्यादा.
क्यों? He's learned. he's learned a lot.
भाई
by his
आमिर खान
experience in
पूरी
India.
फिल्म में बुली ही हो रहा है.
अभी
हाँ, तो ठीक है.
सलमान खान फ्रॉम बजरंगी को नहीं बुलाया और पीके के बारे में क्या लगता है
PK
तुम्हें?
has learned
What?
over his life.
Of
He has
how
gotten
to go in
smart
What
that
has he
city.
learned? Like the entire arc that he has is that he learns to lie.
And
Yeah,
Bhojpuri.
he's learned how to lie. Well, and Bhojpuri, dude, his son will be such a fluent Bhojpuri speaker. No idea.
तो तुम चलो घर पे तुम्हें बनाते हो भोजपुरी। चलो पटना चलो
chalo. But yeah, so my basic thing is that this guy is a very inquisitive mind. Doesn't give into societal norms कि अगर ऐसा चल रहा है तो ऐसा यही सही है. Is able to question. So that is what he'll be able to imbue in his child.
तो
That questioning nature.
तो फिर ओ माय गॉड का परेश रावल क्यों नहीं?
हो सकता है, but I wanted a more, like, because
Unique
बोले मेरा
answer.
dad alien है, तो the other person should be interested.
ज्यादा
मेरा
person
dad-
like ऐसे मत बोल यार पापा के बारे में. वो जैसे भी है तुझसे प्यार करते हैं.
यार वो भी तेरे डैड हो.
उसके घर वाले बोलेंगे इनसे जरा दूरी रहा करो, पता नहीं कहाँ के बाप
अपने
का
बाप को
alien है।
एलियन बुलाता है ये.
हमें सिखा रहा है.
ऑल्सो वो एलियन है और उसकी मम्मी अर्थ से है, तो बच्चा कहाँ रहेगा?
और
स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर.
जहाँ पे भी यार, he has dual citizenship. Yes.
He'll be like the kid of a divorced
Why?
couple.
No, you know how fast these aliens can travel? They'll be in an instant. Their planet to ours and ours is back.
Okay.
बस भाई.
Tension क्या है?
Let's get to the bad ones. I think they were more fun.
I think good was excellent. Okay, so we did just finish with our good fathers.
अभी उसका एक गुड फादर बाकी है ना.
इसका good father बाकी है.
मैंने तो बोला था.
सुपर 30 हो गया ना.
हाँ.
Oh, Super 30 हो गया. But you have a very interesting take, like an interesting choice.
Yes.
Yes, please.
As I mentioned before,
Yes.
Kabir Singh.
Will be a good father.
Yes.
Why?
Because लड़की के लिए पॉजिटिव हो तो लड़की बोलेगी कि भाई मेरे को स्पेस दो, ये कितना मेरे सर पे घूम रहा है. बट बच्चे को अगर वो प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, आई वुड बी लाइक यस डैड किल हिम, गो
What?
मारो इसको, इस बच्चे को मारो, पीटो पापा प्लीज. इसने मेरे को, अगर कोई लड़का मुझे तंग करे, छेड़ेगा भी नहीं, सिर्फ तंग करेगा, मैं बोलूंगी पापा इसने मुझे छेड़ा, पीटो इसको.
बट वो पलट के ही नहीं बोलेगा
तुम
तुम्हारी
झूठ बोलोगे?
तुम्हारी गलती होगी.
हाँ
लड़के
वो
की
पलट
गलती
के भी तो
नहीं
बोल
हो
सकते
सकती.
तुमने चुन्नी ठीक नहीं पहनी हुई थी.
बट मेरी दैट्स द गुड थिंग अबाउट हैविंग कबीर सिंह एज अ फादर. मैं कुछ भी करूँ मेरी गलती कभी नहीं होगी.
बट नो दैट इज वो प्रीति की ही तो गलती बताता है ऑलमोस्ट हर चीज
नहीं
में.
बिल्कुल नहीं
Yeah,
बताता प्रीति की गलती हो.
he'll manipulate you into thinking it's your fault.
Yeah.
Even though it's not.
ही प्रीति को तो उसने कितना प्रोटेक्ट किया था कॉलेज में कि कोई
पर वो प्रोटेक्ट थोड़ी है.
वो हाँ वो तो दोस्त जमाना है ना. लाइक उसने तो
The
प्रॉपर्टी
first
बना
time
लिया.
the first time I'm hearing a feminist reading of Kabir Singh.
ऑल्सो ही इज अ डॉक्टर, सो यू नो वेल टू डू. तो
Yeah, but an alcoholic
And-
doctor
and
who
also-
gets his license revoked, he gets suspended as a
Yeah,
doctor.
yeah.
बट फिर
Let's
हो
not
गया
forget.
था वो, नल एंड वॉइड हो गया था वो. और
On a technicality.
और वो
अभी भी
टॉपर
पीके
है,
out
वो
जाता
एमए
है.
डॉक्टर नहीं है, वो टॉपर है. ही इज गुड एट स्पोर्ट्स आल्सो. ही
Bro,
प्लेज
he has
फुटबॉल.
anger issues. He will
Major
hit
anger
the
issues.
child.
Yeah, he will hit the child.
वो तो हम सबने वैसे भी मार खाई है. क्या
So
तुम्हें
does
मार
that
नहीं
make it
खाई?
right? Does that make it right?
मैंने तो नहीं खाई है एक्चुअली.
Actually,
सबने ही मार खाई है मोस्टली. 90% ऑफ अस.
That's true, you're right.
None of the arguments are convincing.
अगर मैं मार खानी है मुझे मार.
Kabir Singh or Ranvijay as father?
Bro, I actually thought Ranvijay would be a better father than
I'd
Kabir
rather
Singh.
not. I'd rather not be born.
नहीं मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि वो अच्छा बाप बनेगा. इन
Between
दोनों
the
में
two.
से इन दोनों में से
हाउ ही इज अ गैंगस्टर. कबीर सिंह इज अ डॉक्टर. तुम गैंगस्टर के बेटे
he is not a gangster.
Yeah,
Are you
Ranvijay is a
kidding
gangster,
me?
bro. Of
He's
course he's a
killing
gangster.
people left, right, and center.
Yes,
He's
yes,
a
bodyguard.
gangster.
अरे but that is because he is eliminating a threat to his father.
That's murder.
Gangster. वासीपुर पे ऐसी शुरू
हाँ,
हुई थी.
Eliminating
बाप
बोलना
का
तो-
दादा.
नहीं अरे बट उसका बाप का बदला ले रहा है वो. उसका बाप सच में जिंदा है अभी.
नहीं, कबीर
हाँ,
सिंह क्या
बाप
है?
के हम शक्ल का बदला ले रहा है.
कबीर
बाप
सिंह
से.
यहाँ वहाँ थोड़े थप्पड़ ही मार रहा है, बट एटलीस्ट
अरे तो अपने बच्चे को गोली नहीं मारेगा वो.
रणवीर कपूर तो वो
But-
टेम्पो लेके जा रहे हैं.
So
तो
I
उसमें
think
गोलियां निकल रही
I think Ranvijay would be a better father because he knows what how a bad father is.
But
And
he-
Ranvijay-
he keeps on saying कि
But
पापा
dude,
अगले जन्म में
no.
मैं आपका पापा बनूंगा.
Bro, Ranvijay
आप
actually
मेरा बेटा बनना.
in that regard she's right. Ranvijay is already going down the route of becoming a bad father for his already
Existing
pregnant
kids in the movie.
Yeah, already,
How?
yeah.
Where?
Because
already-
he's going to kill Bobby Deol, बोल रहा है अपनी बीवी को कि कोई और शादी मत करना, तो तब तो उसके
अरे तो
बच्चे
वो
थे ही.
खराब पति है, बाप की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ तो he doesn't be like you. I can't put my life at risk because I have to be there for my children's lives.
Yeah.
Okay, he's like fuck that shit. I'm going to go kill that
But
guy.
yeah, because he's like कि मैं मार दूंगा ना. But
But he doesn't know. He could be.
बट बच्चे पे तो वो कुछ भी नहीं आने देता ना. बच्चे पे तो वो मम्मी और वो
कबीर
आपस में भी
सिंह-
लड़ाई कर रहे होते हैं, तो बच्चे को तो वो यही बोलता है ना, प्रोटेक्ट ही करता है उस बात
But
पे.
bro, again, being a good father and being an available father are different things. If you're available,
I
and
completely
fucking-
agree.
Yeah.
But I'm not making a case for Ranvijay being a good father.
अच्छा, okay.
I'm making a case for
You're-
Ranvijay being a better father than Kabir Singh
Wrong,
at least.
you're
No,
wrong.
again, gangster doctor does make a difference.
While you guys were arguing, I just googled Sandeep Reddy Vanga has 2 kids. If anybody has any contacts that we can get his children on this podcast, we'd love to have them to know how it's actually like to have both the
Bro,
the guy who created both.
Sandeep Reddy Vanga actually censored animal to show to his kids. Yeah.
Wow.
Which means he's a
Wow,
good
the
father.
He's a
irony,
good
dude.
father.
The irony, dude.
He's a good father.
Do you have one bad one? Oh no, do you have a bad one?
I have a bad one. Yes. Okay. Let us see.
Baddie Daddy.
I have.
That should be the title of this episode.
नहीं, the title of this episode would be Bollywood का बाप. Yeah, the baps of
Okay.
Bollywood.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I'll give you 1 good and 2 bads because they're all 3 related.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
But we've done Zindagi Na Mili Dobara.
This is
दिल चाहता है.
Babu Rao Ganpat Rao Apte.
Oh,
God.
Are the
I am tired of
Are the
talking
bad
about Phera Pheri and
Are the
Hera
bad
Pheri
parents.
and Paresh
Wait,
Rawal.
Babu
And-
Rao and Sham.
No, Babu Rao and Raju are bad parents.
Ra-
Sham
oh.
is the good dad.
How is
Okay.
Raju a bad?
But wait.
Raju is
Sham.
a bad father, of course.
Yeah, bad, 100%. But Sham is a good father. But Sham with the taboo Anuradha is the good father.
But she's dead.
With Rimi
bro.
Anuradha is
She
the bad
gone.
father.
Rimi Anuradha है ही नहीं,
Sorry, Bipasha Anuradha is a bad father. Bipasha Anuradha is a bad father. Basically, yes, Babu Rao Ganpat Rao, terrible father.
But
Bumbling
श्याम का
idiot
बच्चा
father.
होगा कहाँ से? वो रहता तो परेश रावल और अक्षय कुमार.
Good point.
Adoption, he'll adopt.
Couple.
Babu Rao will be just another Indian dad, bro, because he's mad and angry most of the time, but then he shows moments of softness also.
Yeah.
तेरा भी दिल दुखा है,
हाँ.
इसका भी दिल दुखा
नहीं,
है.
like थोड़ा सपना तूने देखा, थोड़ा सपने तो थोड़ा सपना मैं भी तो देखा, तो तीनों को अरे नहीं bro, बाबू राव गणपत राव आपते is
Gonna be a bad
he's
father.
a
He's an alcoholic.
bro, he's a
drunk alcoholic.
dad.
So
He's
was
a
Kabir
dad.
Singh. He's a dad.
And
He's
they're
a
all bad.
dad.
He's just an Indian dad.
He's just an Indian dad. बनियान
Yeah.
में घूमता है,
Bro,
तेज
but
तेज
that
डकार
doesn't make
मारता
him
है, रात
good
को
as
दारू
a
पीता है.
father.
थोड़ा सा
The
पैसा
typical
मिल गया,
Indian dad-
मेरे को वॉलपेपर होना दोनों.
See, the stereotype Indian dad is the
Is a
portrayal.
bad dad.
Is a bad dad. Exactly. The stereotype is the bad dad. So
But
Ganpat Rao is
on a scale of badness, he's not terrible.
yeah, he's the bumbling idiot again. That's what I said. But he's, he'll
But
be
he
there,
knows
but he won't really help in any way.
Also,
Oh, why not, bro? He will be there for the child. If he's there for Raju and Sham,
Also-
he'll obviously be there for his own child.
Yeah, he's renting his house. to them, so
Raju's
he
been
has a
living
house.
in his house without rent for
Yeah,
the longest
dude.
time. He
Yeah,
could have
so
kicked
bad
him
at
out.
business also.
But he's letting him live. so
He'll
there is
never earn,
empathy.
dude. His child will be like, पापा हमारे पास जगह नहीं है घर पे रहने के लिए.
He'll never earn is the one-line premise of all of Hera Peri.
Yeah.
They'll never earn.
So again, it's bad parenting, dude. Bad father.
Okay, so I have
Also,
a
Also, all you're dependent on is some kind of Ponzi scheme happens in my life where I can make quick money. Okay, that's a bad father if you're just
But that's Raju.
depending on that.
That's Raju.
But he also gives in, dude.
He was
He
happy,
was
in his
happy
new
living.
house.
Yeah, but he gave in, no, for quick money, and then God almost arrested him.
Yeah,
and then
who would
service
not
right.
give in for like a quick money?
ऐसा तो किडनैपिंग का केस राजू रात को कैसा गेम खेले रहेगा.
स्टार्ट थोड़ी ना हुआ था. स्टार्ट तो बस 21 दिन में पैसा डबल से हुआ था.
नहीं,
That sounds,
हेरा फेरी 1 is kidnapping.
oh, 1. But 1 में उनके सिचुएशंस थोड़े ज्यादा खराब थे ना.
2 में भी उतने ही खराब हो जाते हैं. But yes, Babu Rao
Okay,
and
so
Raju.
let's
Last
end with
round,
this
yeah.
one that I have. Aditya from Jab We Met.
Bad father.
Bad father.
No, not a chance, dude.
Why, bro? Why bad?
Not a chance. What are you even talking about?
Geet, bad mother.
For sure.
Both good parents, I feel.
What?
Both good
No.
parents, 100%. Dude.
No, not at all.
100%.
I feel
Wait, no, let him
they'll.
make his...
Geet to I would love to have as a mother.
What are you saying?
She's the talkative kind. She has a very close relationship with her
Bro,
mother.
genuinely, I'll tell you, I think I would not want to
Geet
do
will be the nosy
anything.
auntie.
I would not want to do anything with a person like Geet, bro. Like,
What?
I would not want Geet in my life at all. जितना दूर रहे मुझसे उतना बेहतर है
My
गीत.
God,
ठीक है.
यार,
And
क्या
secondly,
You mean
Geet
because of that overexcited bubbly energy?
bro, I'll tell you. See, I feel Aditya from Jab We Met will have that savior complex sort of a thing.
What complex?
Savior complex.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
ठीक है, he'll have that savior, bro, 110%.
Bro, doesn't.
Are you
Aditya does not
crazy?
seem like that at
Bro,
all.
आदित्य का पूरा आर्क सेवियर कॉम्प्लेक्स है.
But वो तो
Bro, but that's out of love. He's not savior.
He leaves her and lets go also.
Yeah.
And he comes back when she needs him.
No, he stalks her
Yeah.
to see whether she's alright. And he's like, now I'll go save her
But
and
he's
bring
worried
the old
because
Geet
her
back.
parents have come
Yeah,
to
bro.
her. He's responsible to them. That's why he's gone. Otherwise,
I-
all the years he didn't go to check
Correct.
up on her.
Exactly.
Because he thought she's happily married. So no, I don't think so. He has a complex. He
I,
was just in love.
I think he'll have that savior thing where जहाँ पे वो वाला जो उसका कॉन्वर्जेशन है पूरा उसके साथ अंशुमन के साथ इज लाइक आप मिले हो उससे वो अपनी ही दुनिया में और तुमने उसे बता दिया कि वो दुनिया झूठ है
तो सही बात है. उसने क्या गलत बोला?
भाई इट वुड बी सो टैक्सिंग टू बी विद समवन जिसको ये लगता हो कि मेरी लाइफ में तो सिर्फ हमेशा रेनबोज ही रेनबोज हैं.
I mean,
but see, life gives everyone reality check, and Geet already got hers.
एंड उसके बाद वो वापस से वो बन जाती है एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट
बनती वापस.
ब्रो एक सेकंड
There will be
एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज कि आदित्य भी वो बन जाता है.
नहीं.
तो इमेजिन हैविंग टू गीत्स एज योर पेरेंट.
आदित्य वो नहीं
Imagine Moja in your house all the time.
wait, I want it.
बट आदित्य वो नहीं बनता पर
आदित्य का लिटरली डायलॉग है कि अब से मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारी तरह सोचता हूँ जिस भी सिचुएशन में होता हूँ सोचता हूँ गीत क्या करती होगी और फिर
उसने
वही
क्या-
सिचुएशन को और वही चीज करता हूँ.
बट
It helped him. He became successful. He
बाबा,
took
हम लोग-
control of his life.
But
he
also
was
that-
going to kill himself.
Towards the end also she does the most childish thing
What?
instead of confronting this boy Anshuman
It's
she's
okay.
like देख रहा है तो मैं किस कर लेती हूँ. जाके बोलना उसको.
भाई, ये
but bro
अरे
that's
बट वो कितना पेपे कर रहा था उसको क्या कन्फ्रंट करना.
नहीं ये तो बायस.
अब ये जब भी मैं पॉडकास्ट बन चुका है पेरेंटहुड नहीं है. My final word on this is that Geet is, I'm going to break the fourth wall a little bit. Geet is written as a manic pixie dream girl. Okay, manic pixie dream girl is essentially a fantasy version of a male screenwriter. And when male screenwriters project their fantasies onto a girl, they are not writing motherly instincts into it. They are writing what they fantasize about. So that's why I think Geet will not be a good mother character. But anyway, we were talking about Aditya.
क्यों ऐसे क्यों एनालाइज करता है? What a weird way to analyze a good parent or a bad parent.
It is how I analyzed. It is what it is.
But he's right. We should talk about Aditya.
Yeah.
We're talking about Geet.
That's also true. Yes.
I love Jab We Met as a movie, but I think both Geet and Aditya suck.
Yeah.
Oh, I disagree.
I in my relationship wala episode I put him in the list of the person you can marry. He's a good marriage material. And now you're saying the person who's a good marriage material is not a good parent. You agree then?
भाई अब मैंने इसको बाप की तरह जब रिसर्च किया
गड़े
तो
मुर्दे उखाड़े जा
नहीं
रहे हैं.
जब बाप की
क्या
तरह
कहना चाहेंगे
रिसर्च किया
आप?
तो जेन्युइनली आई थिंक मैं जब बाद में ये चीज सोचा अभी इट वाज वेरी बैड लाइक
Also, if you go by what you said on previous episodes, none of our opinions will match.
Yeah, you know
ever,
what?
I think.
We should do in future if this happens. We should do another episode of this after all of us have become parents.
Oh,
So
then
never.
20
We
years
should
down
we should react to this as parents.
Okay, so never.
Yeah, I guess that happened.
Anyway, guys, tell us who you think are the best dads and the worst dads, or who would be the worst dads and the best
Yes.
dads from Bollywood in the comments. And before you wrap up, guys, anything you want to plug?
Yes, please buy my dad's book.
Yes.
Links in the description and in the comments. Please check out my other podcasts, That Filmy Game Show, Spanner Bender, Crickheads, The Internet Said So, Snail Bus.
Yes, please check us out also.
And if you want to hire Snehal as a podcast producer, please pay him more than 1,000 rupees.
And give Abbas and me work.
Yeah, please.
Kirti, anything?
No. Good night.
All right.
Guys,
So I guess-
once again, please subscribe to the channel, take the memberships, and keep coming back every week. We'll see you once again very soon. Bye-bye.